distribution of population. Look at the population map of India. You can see that in some areas the population is really low. In some places it is moderate. In some places it is very high. So, the population of India is distributed unevenly. West Bengal is the most populated state. Arunachal Pradesh is the least populated state. What do you think must be the reasons for this? What kind of place would you like to live in? First of all, you need the weather to be all right. So places that are too hot or too cold are out. As you know, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttaranchal are really cold. Moreover, most of these states are occupied by the Himalayan mountain ranges. So, they are not very comfortable areas to live in. There is very thick forest and extremely heavy rainfall in the states of Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. The area is also hilly and these are not comfortable places to live in. What about Rajasthan? There aren't a lot of hills here, but most of it is a desert. It rains very little and it is very hot most of the year. The soil is also sandy, so not much agriculture can be done there. Again, not a very nice place to live in. So, the population is quite low. Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh also have water problems and not very nice weather. These states aren't very well developed either. So again, the population is low in these states. The main rivers run through Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The soil here is very fertile and agriculture is practiced on a large scale. So, lots of people live in this region and it is quite densely populated. It is the most densely populated region in the world. Similarly, the regions of Tamil Nadu and Kerala have good weather, enough water and fertile soil. Hence, these states are densely populated as well. The rest of the states have some areas which are good for people to live in and some areas which are not so good. These are moderately populated states. Cities are more densely populated than villages. People from villages are moving to the cities for jobs because there are more industries and businesses in cities. In the villages, the settlements are small. Most of the people are engaged in agriculture and there are not too many jobs available. So, they turn to the cities for a different lifestyle. About 3/4 of the Indians live in villages, but they have started moving to cities on a large scale now. The most populated city in India is Mumbai. People in the city do not live close to their workplace, so they have to travel a lot. Transport is a big problem in cities. As the cities get crowded, finding a place to stay also becomes difficult. water supply, land, electricity, and other necessities are under great strain in the city. The number of men and women in India is not roughly equal. There are more men than women. You know that in many Indian families, sons are preferred over daughters. In many families, girls are killed when they are born or sometimes even before they are born. It is now possible to find out whether the baby is a boy or a girl before it is born because of ultrasound machines. When some families find out they are about to have a girl, they kill it. That is the reason there are more men in India than women. Girls are not any less smart, hardworking, or talented than boys. It is just a very, very bad thing that people in our country have done over the years, and we must make sure we never ever behave in that way. By being sensible, we can fix this problem.